Google has recently allowed us to now use AI with Gmail. In this video, we're going to walk through what we can do with it, but also using from a reference that we have done previously, which was a mailing invite email, and let's see what we can get from it.
Exe, welcome back to Gemini Codes. Just AI, no code. Let's cut it up.
So this is what I pretty much saw when I just logged into Gmail this morning, and it is pretty much just a quick display on what you can do, how to do it, and yada yada yada. But I'm just gonna get straight into it. So it looks like, let's create where's that pop-up? It just disappeared. Oh, there we go. There we have our Gemini button. So let's click on this button and let's see what we can get from that. So this pops out and basically allows us to, by looks of things, put in prompts. Isn't this just like ChatGPT? Now let's actually put in some prompts and see what we can get from it. So what I wanted is help me create an email and pretty much breaks down what I want to do and actually asks me what exactly do I want to do. So it there tells you who are you sending it to, what is the email about, and any specific information, the tone. So what we want is we want to go back and do what we did similarly with our previous application, emailer that we did. So let me just put the prompt there. Now this is what we seem to get. It has pretty much written it out just from the basic information that I gave it, joining your link, but this doesn't come out the way that I wanted it to. So how about we ask it to be a bit more cleaner and with a background which should be probably a gradient. Let's see what it can give us with this. And what we got was absolutely no difference. Well, I guess it did do some pieces slightly different, but I wonder if it actually has the context of what Bootstrap is, because it doesn't seem like it made it responsive. And this is just me to see whether ChatGPT or this is easier. I do get that this was basically built for sending emails, putting context of an email, how to rewrite the email for the specific audience, but we're just trying to see what we can actually get from it. So how about giving us an HTML? It breaks it down into HTML, but I can't send this to my end user. And what I really wanted was it to actually be a view. How about we try another prompt? And yep, we got the exact same thing that we had before. So I'm pretty much gonna probably just stop from here. Okay, let's see what this import button actually does, or insert. It says it created a draft for us. Let's go to our draft, see what there is. Okay, there's that draft that it says it made, but it looks like it's also still in HTML, which is not what we wanted. Let's expand it, and it is HTML. I can't send such a thing like this. So I think in conclusion from what I'm seeing is it helps with emails. I'm not using it in the right context because I wanted an emailing invite email for beta testers, and all I am getting is pretty much HTML output because I asked it to put in HTML, but I didn't understand the context of I wanted to be a nice clean view which I can send to my end users. So what do you guys think from actually seeing this video? What do you think has Google done? Do you like it? Yes or no? Comment down what you think I should actually try out on the next videos with this. And what I'll do now is that let me just show you what we had and put these two side to side and see what we actually have from there. Now opening them both side to side. What I wanted was on the left hand side, which we got from ChatGPT. If you haven't watched, please make sure you hit the section there at the top. It'll probably also be at the end of this video. And what we got was basically very raw, doesn't look beautiful. It just looks like a laborer's code. I don't know what that means, but thank you for watching. Please make sure you do like, please make sure you do subscribe. See you guys on the next video.